Linabels, kumusta sa kalabasa?
Ito, okay lang.
Today I'm going to teach you how to sing Bahay Kubo in Bekimon.
Sige
Are
nga.
you ready?
Sige.
I'm sorry because I'm not that prepared, okay? Balor Kubo, kahit jutay, ang hilaman donchi, ay kyori-kyori, shinkamas at shalong, sigarilyas at nyuni, sitaw, jotay, kyutani, syundol, kyutola, jubot, kalabastos, at saka meron pang jobanes mustasa, sibuyas, shimatis, biyawang at loya, at sa pajigit-jigit ay sino ng Linabels! Linabels! Ay, bonggang-bongga! Magsising din ako ng song ni favorite singer ko, si Lady Gaga at saka si Beyonce.
Anong song?